You are probably going to fail your exams. And honestly, you're on track to fail at life. Let me tell you why. It's not because you aren't smart and it's not because the system is rigged, but it's because you've decided that a 30-second clip of someone dancing on social media worth more than your entire future. I know how it feels. Truly, I do. You wake up with every intention of being that academic weapon. You see the aesthetic study vlogs, you buy the highlighters, you open the laptop, but then the phone pings. It's just one check, right? One scroll turns into an hour turns into a wasted afternoon, and suddenly you're sitting there in the dark, feeling that heavy, hollow pit in your stomach because you haven't done a single thing. You're tired, you're overwhelmed, and it's just easier to believe the lie that grades don't define you or that some billionaire dropped out of school, so I'll be fine too. It's a comfortable trap. You want to study, you really do, but the couch is softer than the library chair and the teaching in class is boring. So you just check out. But here's the part you're refusing to see. Stop. Just stop with the I'm just not a motivated person nonsense. You aren't unmotivated. You're disciplined by the wrong things. You are literally training your brain to have the attention span of a fruit fly. Every time you choose the scroll over the book, you're voting for a version of yourself that is weak, replaceable, and broke. You think you're being chill or laid back about school? No, you're being a coward. You're scared to actually try because if you try and fail, it hurts. But if you don't try at all, you can pretend it was a choice because it wasn't. It was a surrender. Get it through your head. Your brain is a muscle. And right now, yours is atrophying. Neuroplasticity, that's a scientific fact. Your brain literally rewires itself based on what you repeat. If you repeat distraction, you become a person incapable of focus. If you repeat discipline, you become a person who conquers. Your job isn't to feel like studying. Your job is to sit in that chair, put the phone in another room, and do the work until it's finished. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. Do it now, not at the top of the hour, not tomorrow, now. I know the war that's going on in your mind right now. I know how loud that voice is telling you that it's too late to catch up or that you're just not that kind of student. I've been there staring at a blank page with tears in my eyes, feeling like the world is moving on without me. But listen to me. On the other side of this temporary boredom, on the other side of this struggle, is a version of you that is proud, a version of you that doesn't have to lie about their results. You aren't a failure yet. You're just a student who needs to wake up, start crossing. Don't look back at the shore of excuses you're leaving behind. Every single minute of focus is a brick in the fortress of your future. You've surrendered for long enough. It's time to win. Go. Get what's yours.